All right, guys, social studies, section 4, quick review. Section 1 talked about the high in the mountains and the plains and the lowlands with the Piedmont in the middle. Section 2 talked about the rivers and the oceans and how they use these to transport goods. And yesterday, section 3, it talked about the fall line, where they couldn't get the ships any farther, trading posts and mill companies set up along that Piedmont. Today we want to talk about natural resources. First of all, let's go ahead and take a look at our geography guide here. It says write a D next to geography feature in the illustration that best matches the map. Here's our map for today. Natural resources of the Southeast. You see we got this key over here, coal. All those black wheelbarrows full of coal. We got the, I want to say golden maybe, iron ore here, just that one, here one, and here one. Again, this is the Appalachians here. We're going to find all of these minerals. And then you got oil or natural gas in this region. Remember, off of Louisiana, also in Louisiana and Arkansas. You're going to find a lot in Texas in our next region. And even up here in Kentucky, we have some oil. This yellowish is general farming. Red, manufacturing. Notice those here along that fault line, falls line. You got cattle and sheep, dairy farming, and lots of forests in this region. Number 4 says, describe one way in which you think natural resources affect life in the Southeast. Now, natural resources here in the Southeast, you can probably find them in the mountains. Natural resources in the mountains. You're also going to probably find them where there's dairy land or farmland. This is actually a manufacturing plant that would chop up trees to make paper. So maybe we knew all those, or maybe we didn't know all of those, but those are the natural resources in this region. 2, what's our hypothesis or our educated guess to investigation question 4? How does the natural resources, and let's put down jobs for people. Farming, industry, forestry. All right, number 3 says, now we're going to read this section and see if we were correct. Let's check it out. Natural resources. While many people choose to live in the Southeast for its many rivers, others live in this area because of its rich in natural resources. Natural resources include land, oceans, forests, minerals, and fuels. A natural mineral found in nature that is useful to people. Land was the first natural resource that attracted people to the Southeast. Growing crops and raising animals were 2 of the largest industries for many years. An industry is all the business that produce one kind of goods or provide one kind of service. Today, many industries are important to the economy of the region. On your tour of the Southeast, you learned about 2 industries that developed from resources hidden underground. One is the coal mining industry, and the other is the oil industry. Now, remember, industries are all the businesses that are involved with oil. So you have the people that dig it up. You have the people that would put it in barrels. You have the people that drive the trucks that get it to the manufacturers. You have the machineries that make it into gas and other products. You have the trucks that take the gas to the gas station. You get the gas station to sell it. So that's a huge industry, oil industry. The Southeast steel industry is built on another hidden resource. In the 1800s, people discovered iron at Red Mountain in Alabama. Iron ore is used to make steel. Built at the foot of the Red Mountain, Birmingham, Alabama became a steel-making center. Some industries are based on the Southeast large forest. Sawmills cut trees into lumber. Paper mills grind wood into gooey, woody pulp. This pulp is then used to make paper. I didn't know if you guys knew this, but paper was, you can see it here, paper was made out of trees. This pulp is then used to make paper. Furniture makers turn trees into tables and chairs. Right now, you may be sitting on a chair that was made in the Southeast. Now, most of our chairs are made out of real wood. Here at school, they're made out of a plastic. Okay, well, let's check out number 3 here, all these industries here. Read section 4, natural resources. Is your hypothesis mentioned in the section? Good for jobs, good farming, industry, and forestry. We hit them all. I think we did forget about the iron, right? So let's put down iron in there. Iron into steel. Iron is what you dig up, and after you purify it, you make steel. Okay? Woods into paper and furniture. Coal and oil industry. Right, what effect the natural resources have on the Southeast region? Well, the effect is it makes them very wealthy. The Southeast is very wealthy. Because of all God's natural resources. He made them for us to enjoy. Alright guys, before you finish up today, you gotta double check, make sure you got your name at the top. You gotta have 3 D's up here, as well as answered questions 2, 3, and 4. You might do also well to review sections 4, 3, 2, and 1. You can do that on your TSI website, or you can stop and pause my video and take a look at those pages. Next week we're going to finish this section. It's got 3 or 4 sections left of it, and then take the test next week Friday. God bless your day.